to be the unboxing of our Boxycharm Premium Box for April. You guys, this surprised me. This just showed up at my door. I did not realize that I would be receiving this today, and I was literally in the middle of filming the Natasha Denona Mini Retro Palette, the 5th look. So anyways, this video is going to go up, but tomorrow when you guys see this video, I will have the 5th look that I will be creating with this little mini Natasha Denona Retro Palette. So definitely be on the look for that. If that Natasha Denona video doesn't go up on Friday, it'll go up on Monday. So anyways, friends, I have not opened this package at all. I wiped it down, cleaned it off, and I sat down and we're going to film this unboxing. So if you are new to Boxycharm, the Boxycharm Premium Box is a $35 a month box. And it does have a retail value of at least $175 worth of products in here. Some of you guys do ask me, well, how come the March Premium Box, when it was a Fenty brand takeover, was $143? That's the difference between if there is a variation or a brand takeover. So this is at least $175 worth of product in here, and I will let you guys know I did weigh this on my mail scale and it was a total of 3 pounds, just in case you guys are curious. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I am really excited. I am so excited because I have seen all of the different types of okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just really excited. Okay, so right away we see the cards in here. Okay, so we know that this month's theme is Boxycharm Festival, and of course inside of the card is all of the items that we did receive in this box, as well as the retail value. Now, just to let you guys know, this was sent to me in PR to review, so thank you Boxycharm for thinking of me and sending this over my way. I'm not peeking. I'm so excited. We do have another coupon for makeup eraser, and jumping right in, the first thing that I see, I'm not gonna lie, I am excited to try this because you know your girl loves skincare, but I low-key really wanted the Natasha Denona blush. I'm just saying, but I am forever grateful. But this is the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream, which, when it comes down to it, I love anti-aging products. A little bit about this particular product: it has a $69 value, and like I said, it is an anti-aging product. It's from Israel, and it says it has 11 innovating organic plant actives. The anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. Okay, let's be honest. I'm not mad about this product. I am going to be 42 years old this year, so I am all about the anti-aging. I love that. So it says it firms, hydrates, and repairs. And you do get a total of 1.69 fluid ounces. Okay, so moving right along, I will say I am excited to receive this. This is the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. Now, I wanted this palette when it released, but it was kind of expensive. Oh, she's pretty, and oh my gosh, this is so nice and heavy. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. I have wanted to try his formula. It does come with a brush as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited about that. So excited to see this because, like I said, this box is $35 plus tax, and this has a retail value of $45. I am so excited about that. Honestly, out of the 3 palettes that were available, which was the Smashbox, I think it was called like LA Cover Shot or something like that, and the Barbie Pure palette, I really wanted this one. I really wanted this one. Or the Pharmacy, but I really wanted that. What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next item I see here is the Opulent Beauty 3-piece brush set. Oh, these are pretty. I tell you guys all the time, this is the best way to build your brush collection. Oh my gosh. It's so funny because I just talked about these on a sneak peek. These are so soft. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are so nice. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they are so pretty. Oh, I really like that. I really like that. Okay, so this has a retail value of $40. All 3 of these brushes. It's full size, ultra soft, cruelty free, crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, and highlighters and powders. These are so soft. These are so pretty too. Okay, I'm carrying on. Okay, so the next item I am so excited about this because y'all told me that this is absolutely amazing. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. This has a retail value of like $26. Let me double check on here. It has, yeah, $26. It's a one swipe is all you need for the sky high lashes with volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates, smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant all day wear. I am so flippin' excited about this because, like I said, when I did a sneak peek on this mascara, a lot of y'all were like, seriously, when they say one coat, Rhonda, it's literally one coat. It's amazing. It's my go-to high-end mascara, and I was like, please let me get that. Please let me get that. I never know what I'm going to get or if I will be receiving it, so I was really excited, so yay. Okay, so the next item is by Nude Sticks. Now this is a sneak peek that came out after my last video went up on Monday. I think it was Monday, yeah. So this is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Blush Paints. And this has a retail value of $28. It says, where luxury, K-beauty, and multitasking color meets longwear performance. Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious soft nudes and a feather light blurring matte velvety texture that is non-drying, long-wearing, pressed, and monochromatic tones. Ooh. It's so like airy. Oh, that's definitely my shade, guys. Do you see that? It's like almost like a moussey, but not clumpy moussey. It's like air. I got it on. It's so lightweight. Oh, I like this. There's no scent. It's called Waikiki Rose. It is literally like, it's beautiful. It's really pretty. It's so airy. I love that. $28, guys. And there's one more item in here. This is by Stila. Now this was one of those choice items where you guys got to pick, and as I told you guys, I did not do any picking. Yes, this was the color I wanted. Rose Gold Retro. Oh my gosh, why do I feel like this is going to go so well with my Natasha Denona Mini Retro? It is. Oh my gosh, it is. Okay, so if you guys picked up the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette, look at this. Look how complementary those would be together. Oh, I see another look in the near future. We got to open this up. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let's do it. Oh my gosh, yes. I love all things sparkle and glitter and shimmer. Like, oh, if you don't like that, who are you? Can we even be friends? That is so pretty. Oh, that is gonna be so complimentary to this palette. And if we go back and look at our Life's a Drag palette, look how pretty this will complement, especially the neutrals. See if my camera will focus. Won't that be so gorgeous? Yes, we're gonna do a look. Come back. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I will be coming back. These shades over here are all me. Like, I absolutely love, that just screams me. I think that these shades are absolutely beautiful and I like the option, and maybe I'll put something together, but let's be honest. You know your girl loves these 8 shades over here. You know that. And this shade is just, wow, that is just so flippin' pretty. And even the lipstick complimentary. Complimentary. I'm getting so excited, like words are jumbling together. But yeah, absolutely in love with everything. I love how everything literally works together. How beautiful is that? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna add everything up in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you the variation. So before I tell you guys the grand total, the variation I received is number 33. And like I said, as far as the weight of it, it was a total of 3 pounds. Retail value of everything in here came to $232. Guys, let's talk about my thoughts. You guys, I'm in love. I am so excited because like I said, as far as palettes went, out of all the palettes, the 3 palettes total, and then of course there was the Pharmacy Honey Pot, I wanted this. Out of all of those 4 items, I wanted this so bad. So happy, so pleased that I finally get to try the Manny MUA's formula. I am so excited about the fact that they match the lipstick and the glitter together. I love the brushes. I'm excited about the mascara, the anti-aging face cream. Like, hello youth, we friends now. Like, I'm very excited about it. Thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this over my way to review for you guys. I mean, like I said, this is a $35 plus tax box, guys. $35 plus tax, and I received over $230 worth of product. Like, it doesn't get better than that, you know? Before we jump off, I do want to let you guys know that I do have a link listed down below if you guys are interested in signing up for the base box or the premium box. I'm not for sure if there is a wait list, but you guys told me that you were on the wait list for the premium box for like 2 days, then you were off, and you're getting a premium box this month. So that's amazing. I do also want to let you guys know that if you do decide to sign up, I'm going to pop a picture up of the items that you can choose at checkout. I do want to let you guys know if you do decide to sign up, there is an option of 2 different items that you can choose from. One is the Sugar Crystals Violet Voss palette. I'll pop up the picture over here, or the Symbiosis. This is a, let's see here, it's a prebiotic and retinoids revitalizing facial serum, and you do need a code to check the, or to receive one of those items, but you do get to pick. So if you sign up for the base box, you get 5 items plus 1 of these items, and you can put yourself on the premium list as well. So anyways, guys, if you guys are interested in that, I will make sure to pin a post in my comment section for the link to sign up, as well as the coupon codes for one of these 2 items. They do change them quite often, so by the time this video goes up, they may have switched it to something new. So definitely make sure to see whatever code is available so you get that additional free item on top of what you're already going to be receiving in your box. I also want to let you guys know, I was scrolling around on YouTube and I saw that Boxycharm did post in their community tab section, and again, I will pop this up for you guys. It says, "Hey Charmers, want to win $1,000? Head over to our Instagram account and find this exact post, which you guys will see over here, to learn how you can enter for a chance to win $1,000. Hashtag Boxy gives back." So definitely make sure to go over to Boxycharm's Instagram and check out this particular post because they're giving away $1,000. So who doesn't love that? They're also helping out hospitals and sending things their way as well. Boxycharm is really just absolutely amazing. You guys know that they have been one of my favorite subscription boxes for years. Matter of fact, the first video I ever uploaded here on our channel was a Boxycharm unboxing, July of 2017. You guys think I was a crazy mess back, or now? You should have seen back then. Don't go look. Like I always tell you guys, Boxycharm is an absolutely amazing way to grow your makeup, hair care, skin care, whatever. It is a magical little box right here. You need brushes, you got brushes. You need skincare, we got skincare. You need eyeshadow palettes, guess what? They got that too. So it's like an all-in-one. Don't forget to give this as gifts. Gift it to yourself, whatever it may be. I'm gonna hop off for now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe, because over here, friends, like I always say, we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment and drama-free zone. Anyways, friends, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay home if you can. And have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! I have to say, this lipstick is absolutely so comfortable. Like, woo! You did that, Nude Sticks. Love that.